In this video, we are going to discuss about JavaScript date manipulation. In the previous video, we have discussed about a JavaScript DOM model. DOM means document object model. It is used to construct as a tree-like structure. In order to create date object, we are using the date constructor. So here we have four methods to create the date object. The first one is constructor with no arguments. What it means? New date of. The second method is constructor with one argument is a type of number. It is nothing but new date of milliseconds. The third method is constructor with only one argument is a type of string. It is nothing but new date of date string. And the fourth method is constructor with more than one argument. That means new date of year, month, date. Here, hour, minute, second, and milliseconds are optional argument. Here we have to make a note, months counted from 0 to 11. What it means? January is 0, February is 1. In this way, the December is 11. In order to represent the year, it has only one digit, means it will be interpreted into 190x. X represent digit specified in the year function. Okay, therefore it is interpreted into 1909. Likewise, year of 99, it will be interpreted into 19xx. So what it means? The xx represents digit specified in the year function. Therefore, year of 99 will be interpreted into 1999. While talking about the time zone, we are using UTC format. What is in the UTC? It is nothing but Universal Time Coordinator, which is same as GMT. What is meant by GMT? Greenwich Mean Time. So let me see some examples for creating date objects. Take the first one, where D, that is equal to new date of October 13, 2014, 11/13/00. We can say this is a single argument. So if the date with single argument is a type of string, means, so we can say this is a string data type because it is enclosed within double quotes. That's why we can say it is a string data type. Therefore, date is a constructor. Constructor having only one argument is a type of string, means we can say it is matched with the case 3. That means new date of date string. Take this next example, where D, that is equal to new date of 9,11,24. Here, date is the constructor is having more than one argument. So it is matched with the fourth method. That is nothing but new date of year, month, date. Okay. So it will be interpreted. So 9 is nothing but year, 11 is nothing but month, 24 is nothing but date. So as we all know, month is 11, means we can say it is December. 24 is nothing but date. So 9 is nothing but year. It will be interpreted 99. Okay. And what it means here, there is no information about hour, minute, and second. Therefore, 0, 0, 0. These are the information about hour, minute, and second information. GMT refers Greenwich Mean Time. It is the India Standard Time. These are the method is used to get the information about date object. These are the get method. So get full year. It is the method used to get the year as a 4-digit number. Get month. It is used to get the month as a number. The ranges are 0 to 11. Get date. It is the method used to get the day as a number. The ranges are 1 to 31. Get hours. It is used to get the hour informations. The ranges are 0 to 23. Get minutes. It is used to get the minute information. The ranges are 0 to 59. Get seconds. It is used to get the second information. The ranges are 0 to 59. Get milliseconds. It is used to get the millisecond information. The ranges are 0 to 999. Get time. Get the time. Milliseconds since January 1, 1970. Get day. It is used to get the big day as a number. The ranges was 0 to 6. Date dot now of. Here, date is nothing but object. So it is used to get the time. These are the set date method is used to set the date object. Set date. It is used to set the day as a number. The ranges was 1 to 31. Set full year. It is used to set the year. Here, month and day are optional. Set hours. It is used to set the hour. The ranges are 0 to 23. Set milliseconds. It is used to set the milliseconds. The ranges are 0 to 999. Set minutes. It is used to set the minutes. The ranges are 0 to 59. Set month. It is used to set the month. The ranges are 0 to 11. Set seconds. It is used to set the seconds. The ranges are 0 to 59. Set time. Set the time. Milliseconds since January 1, 1970. So let me see some MCQ related to data object. Data objects. What will be the output of the below code? Here, the code is executed on 2019-5-9. As we all know, 2019 means it is year, 5 means month, 9 is date. But today's date, that is equal to new date. Here we are using the date constructor. Okay. Today's date is the date object. Currently, it is holding current date. Console.log of today's date dot to local string. So with the help of to local string, we can convert the date and time into string. So here we have 4 options. The first option having the information about the date as well as time, but we have the separators T. In the option B, we have only the information about date. In the option C, we have the information about time. In the option D, we have the information about date as well as time in the general format. So we can conclude option D is the correct answer. So 2009 is the year and 5 is the month and 9 is the day. And 15 is nothing but hour, 2 is nothing but minute, 35 is the second. Because this code is executed on 2019-5-9. And we see the second example. What will be the output of below code? So here we are using the date constructor. We are using the time zone. It is nothing but UTC. UTC means universal time coordinator. Here we have more than one argument. So it is matched with the fourth method. So first one is said to be year. The second one is said to be month. Third one is said to be day. And next one is said to be hour. Next one is said to be minute. Next one is said to be second. So if you want to convert this format into UTC means we have to take the day first, then month. After that, we have to represent the year. Finally, we have to represent the hour, minute, second informations, and also AM and PM information also. So here we have 4 options. The first option doesn't have AM and PM information. The second option B also doesn't have the information about AM and PM, but C and D having the information about AM and PM. So if it is a UTC format means we have to take the day first. So what about the day information here? 20. So what about the year information? It is nothing but 2012. It should be last. Okay. So here 11 is nothing but December. The UTC, December is interpreted by the value 12. So therefore option C is the correct answer. Which object contains the information about the browser? Option A, string objects. Option B, navigated object. Option C, form object. Option D, date object. So the navigator object contains the information about the browser. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Thank you.